Now take for instance, we have different formula that deals with rates. We have rate, for instance, you have rate to be equals to mass, change in mass over time. Therefore, we can now say R equals to M over C. Anywhere we see R here, we replace with what? With R. Anywhere we see R, we replace it with this. R1, we replace it with this. R2, we also replace it with this. What do I mean by that? For R1, we now have R1 to be equals to M1 over T1. And for R2, you have it to be M2 over T2. We can now replace this R1 with M1 over T1, R2 with what? M2 over T2. Put it into this general formula. Then from there, we can now have M1 over T1 divided by M2 over T2 to be equals to square root of D2 over D1. Having known that, we can also have M1 over T1 multiplied by T2 over M2 equals to square root of D2 over D1. From there, we can have our formula. We continue here. From there, you can have M1 T2 over M2 T1 equals to square root of D2 over D1. This is one formula. Here's another, let's say another formula. Let's say formula 2. Formula 2. With this formula 2, in some cases, we can have time to be constant. That is, the time is the same. When T1 is equals to T2, we say time is constant. When that is constant, what do you have? When T1 is equals to T2, then we have M1 over M2 to be equals to square root of D2 over D1. Another formula. It's formula 3. Is that taken?